In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a quiz in Wix step by step using Google Forms, even if you're a complete beginner. This method works great if you want to collect answers, test users, or add interactive content to your Wix website without using paid apps. We'll go through everything from creating the quiz to embedding it directly into your Wix site. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy website and software tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Google Forms. Make sure you're logged into your Google account. Once Google Forms loads, create a new form and set it up as a quiz. You can do this by clicking on a blank form and then enabling the quiz option in Settings. Add your questions, choose the correct answers, and customize the quiz the way you want. This quiz will later be embedded directly into your Wix website. After your quiz is ready, look at the top right corner of Google Forms and click on the three dots menu. This opens additional options for sharing your form. From the drop-down menu, click on Embed HTML. This option allows you to generate an embed code that can be used on websites. Once the embed window opens, you'll see an HTML iframe code. Click on the Copy button to copy this embed code to your clipboard. This code is what we'll use to display the quiz inside Wix. Now that the quiz embed code is copied, open a new tab and go to Wix.com. Log into your Wix account and open the Wix Editor for the site where you want to add the quiz. Once the editor loads, navigate to the page where you want the quiz to appear. On the left-hand side of the Wix Editor, click on Add Elements. This is where you can add new content to your page. In the search bar, type the word Embed. From the results, click on Embed Code. Next, click on Enter Code. A pop-up window will appear asking you to paste your code. Paste the Google Forms embed code that you copied earlier into this box. After pasting the code, click on Update. You'll now see the quiz appear directly on your Wix page. You can resize it, move it around, and adjust its placement so it fits perfectly within your page layout. Once you're happy with how it looks, click Publish to make the changes live on your website. Your visitors can now take the quiz directly on your Wix site without being redirected anywhere else. And that's it! You've successfully added a quiz to your Wix website using Google Forms. This is a simple and free way to make your site more interactive and engaging. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Wix tutorials, website tips, and easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.